Welcome to our channel. If you've ever faced problems with Chime SpotMe not working, this guide will walk you through every step to get it fixed fast. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem many Chime users face when SpotMe isn't working as expected. SpotMe is a great feature that helps you avoid overdraft fees by allowing a small overdraft limit, but when it stops working it can be frustrating. Let's explore the step-by-step process to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. First, ensure your Chime app is updated to the latest version. Developers often release fixes and improvements, so running an outdated app might cause functionality problems. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install them if available. Next, check your account eligibility for SpotMe. SpotMe eligibility depends on your account activity and history. If your account is new or has limited history, your SpotMe feature might not be activated yet. Review Chime's eligibility criteria on their official website or app and make sure you meet them. Then verify your balance and pending transactions. SpotMe works when your balance goes below zero, but you have to be within the SpotMe limit. If you have pending transactions that exceed your limit, or if your current balance plus SpotMe limit is insufficient, SpotMe won't activate. Clear up any pending charges if possible or adjust your spending accordingly. Another important step is to check if your direct deposits are active and consistent. Chime requires qualifying direct deposits to enable SpotMe on your account. Make sure your direct deposit setup is correct and that funds have been deposited recently. If your direct deposit is not active, try setting it up or using other methods to fund your account. Next, let's review any potential account holds or restrictions. Sometimes SpotMe could be disabled by Chime due to account issues like verification requirements, compliance flags, or security holds. Contact Chime support if you suspect this might be the case and verify your account status. Furthermore, inspect your app settings and notifications. Sometimes incorrect app permissions or notification settings can prevent SpotMe alerts from showing. Ensure that your app permissions allow notifications and that you haven't disabled SpotMe in your app settings. Also, try logging out and back into the app or reinstalling it to clear any glitches. In case none of the above steps work, try reaching out directly to Chime customer support. They can check your account in detail and identify specific issues affecting your SpotMe feature. Use their chat support or phone line for quick assistance. To summarize, keep your app updated, confirm account eligibility, verify balance and direct deposits, check for holds or restrictions, and don't hesitate to contact support if needed. Following these steps will help you get SpotMe working smoothly again. At the end of the day, SpotMe is designed to help you avoid overdraft fees and manage your money better, so ensuring it works properly is important. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button so you don't miss out on future useful tutorials and tips for your financial apps.